Hi, I'm Chris with TEXA, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of our new Axone Nemo Light and our Navigator Nano S. So as you can see, this package comes in a rugged case. Inside the case is our Axone Nemo Light tablet. We also have our Navigator Nano S, which does have the OBD2 connection, as well as a button for the light, so you can see where the connector is. Inside this case are also the power cord and the USB cable for the Navigator Nano S and the Axone Nemo Light. With this new Axone Nemo Light package, you get access to our car software, which has coverage from domestic, Asian, and Euro vehicles. You also have the possibility to add on supercar. You also get access to our Monday to Friday tech support team, access to motor true speed, which will have built-in diagrams on how to replace components, TEXA info as well, which is our built-in troubleshooter. You're able to submit a file in to have anything that our software is missing. That file goes right to the engineers and we're able to work on adding it for you. You can check our YouTube channel for any of our other products or to see any of our software in action, or you can view any of our other social media sites. Thank you for watching.